How to file an extension on Turbotax. So I've just logged into the website. I'm gonna click continue to get more options. And from here, I'm gonna click this help icon right here. From here, type extend, and it's gonna give us the option to file for an extension. So you can click that, click start easy extension, click continue. And there you go. From here, simply check the answers that are correct for you and click continue. So the extension request deadline is April 15th and the extended filing date is going to be October 15th, 2025. Filing an extension gives you more time to submit your return, but any taxes owed are still due by April 15th to avoid penalties and interest. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.